Modere's collagen. How is it different than your typical collagen powder that you can buy in the store? And is it worth all of the hype? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I'm going to share with you some facts and some testimonials about why I am a true believer in Modere's collagen. Now, a full disclaimer, I am a user of the collagen. I do sell the product, but I sell it because I have seen the results and what it has done for people. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so let me first start with my own testimonial and why I am so passionate about Modere's collagen, right? So one of the areas that I struggle with the most is my under eye bags. I've always felt like I have a very sleepy eye, that I am never wide awake, and it is definitely something that has bothered me a lot, but I wouldn't want to do some sort of surgical ratification for it. And so when I heard about Modere's collagen, I was like, maybe it's going to help me with my bags under my eyes and my wrinkles because I am in my 40s. So if you guys can see, look at the difference between what's happening underneath my eyes. This is because of the collagen. I truly feel like I am aging backwards. And this is Meridel. She too is an older lady like myself, and she is aging backwards. If you guys can see the difference in what it has done to her skin. Now, I can also say, and I'm going to dive into a little bit about the trim as well and how that also has our collagen, but I will also say my mom has been on the collagen and her knees and her achy bones and joints have not hurt her like they used to. And I can say she truly is a true believer. She can get up and down those steps. Her joints feel more lubricated and she is not in pain. So for that reason, I absolutely love Modere's collagen. Now, this is the liquid biocell. This is just our pure collagen. It comes in 3 different types. We have Life, which happens to be my favorite in terms of flavor. We have Pure, which has 0 sugar, although this has very little sugar as well. And then we have Sport, and we also have Skin, right? They all have our collagen. They just have a little bit of a different makeup depending on, Life is just for generic, Sport has BCAAs, the Skin has a little bit of extra oxidants for your skin, and then the Pure, like I said, is sugar-free, no added sugar. Personally, this one is my favorite because I love the taste of it. But again, they all have the collagen, right? So what do you need? If you are going to be taking a month's supply and you are only using this product, then you need 2 bottles of this to last you for a month, because you take 1 tablespoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon at night. It does need to be refrigerated. It does not matter whether it's Life, Sport, Skin, or your, Pure or your Life. Now, if you want to add in our trim, right? Our trim has the same collagen that's in our biocell, but it also has a CLA, and CLA is clinically proven to shrink your fat cells. So it has our collagen and it also has CLA added to it. Now, I take this first thing in the morning. I take 1 dose of this, and then I take 1 dose of this in the evening. So if you're going to combine the 2, then you only need 1 bottle of this and 1 bottle of this for the month. Now, both of these collagens have type 1, type 2 collagen and hylaronic acid with chondroitin sulfate in it. That is the key to our collagen and why it makes it so different than your typical collagen that you see on the market. Now, because it is in a liquid form, our body absorbs it up to 85% better than it does the powdered collagen. So that powdered collagen really is not very useful because your body is just not absorbing it. But when you take supplements that are liquid, the absorption rate is much higher, and that's what makes this so unique and so different. So again, it's a type 1, type 2 collagen with hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate. You're gonna notice that when you take it, your joints are gonna feel better, your hair is not going to stop growing, your nails are going to be so much stronger and so much healthier, and you're gonna notice that you're kind of starting to age backwards. And if you add in the trim, you might start losing belly fat as well, like my friend Jen over here. She has been on the trim and our lean body sculpting system, and she has lost over 150 pounds in 1 year. She is truly changing her body composition. She's so much healthier. She's so much happier. She's able to play with her kids and go on the trampoline and go on walks with them and ride bikes with them. And these are things that she was really struggling with beforehand. So this is Trim, Collagen, and our lean body sculpting system. Now Modere also offers our collagen in different ways, right? So this is our liquid collagen. It does come in our skincare. So our skincare has collagen as well, as does our coffee and our creamer. So if you're looking for all different types of collagen, definitely make sure I've got a $10 off coupon code for you in the description of this video so that you can take a look at all of Modere's products and get $10 off your very first order. So make sure you click the description of this video to get your $10 off coupon. Now my question for the day for you is, what are you hoping to benefit from the collagen? Put it in the comments below. Let me know what you're hoping to accomplish by adding more collagen into your body. What I can say is after the age of 30, what ends up happening is our body stops producing collagen like it used to. So that's why your children or young kids, they have such like nourished skin and it's always so soft because it's full of collagen and hylaronic acid. And as we age, our body stops producing that. So it's really, really important that we supplement our body with collagen. It is all natural, right? It is something our body already produces, but it slows down the production after the age of 30. So it's really important to, supplement that collagen that we are no longer generating inside of our body. So if you want to look healthier, if you want to feel better, give this a try. Like I said, I've got a $10 off coupon code for you in the description of this video. And if you've got any questions, definitely make sure you put it in the comments. I'm always happy to answer them. And hey, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.